Hi everyone. PEMDAS is saying that 7 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 7 divided by 5? I don't know. So let me just write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 7 over 5. And let's bring that 3 plus down, but let's bring the 3 down in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 1 equals 3. Does not change to 3 plus 7 over 5. Notice that, yes, we're adding both fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and we're going to draw two wings, two antennas, and a body. And I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use pink, hot pink. Okay, so we're multiplying 3 times 5. So that's the first wing, and here's the first antenna. 3 times 5 is 15. And next, we draw the other wing, 1 times 7, which is 7. So that's the second wing and the second antenna. And then the body, 1 times 5 is 5. And that'll be our denominator. Our numerator is adding 15 plus 7, which is 22. And this can be broken down further, so 22 over 5 it is. And now I am going to erase this and bring down the 6 divided by 5, 6 divided by 3, but we can break this down further because, yeah, we can do that. Let's just break this down further. So 3 divided by 3, let me just do this, is 1, and then do the same here. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, so this is the same as 2. So we're gonna keep it as a fraction and write it here. So 2 over 1 times, right? Because we're keeping the parentheses, 22 over 22 over 5. So we're multiplying. So 2 over 1 times 22, so 2 over 1 times 22 over 5. So we multiply across. So 2 times 22 is 44 over 1 times 5 is 5. And this cannot be broken down further. 44 over 5 is your improper fraction answer, but don't leave yet because we're going to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer using long division. So let me write this to the other side of the board for space. So I'll write 44 over 5, and then I'll write the mixed number answer here and then the decimal answer here using long division. So here's the long division symbol right here. And let me use a different color. Let me use blue. Okay, so the 44 goes inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 4? How many? You can't, right? So we write a 0 and we multiply it. So 0 times 5 is 0. And we subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. We bring this 4 down, so now it's 44. Wow. All right, so how many times can, let's see, how many times can, well, we know that you don't have to do it like that. Let me just start over. Let me start over. You don't have to do all that. So what 5 times what gives you closest to 40 or 45 or 44? I know that 5 times 10 is 50, so that goes over 44. 5 times 9 is 45, so that goes 1 over 44. So we'll be using 5 times 8, which is, what is 5 times 8? 40, right? So we write 8 there, and then we times it, and that's 40, right? And then we subtract 44 minus 40 equals 4. And so now we can write our mixed number answer, which is 8, and then 4 over, and then the 4 is the remainder, over 5 from the divisor. So we have 8, 4 over 5. And let's continue to figure out the decimal answer. So how many times can 5 fit into 4? You cannot. So the 4 needs to borrow a 0. So we add a decimal after the 44 and a decimal after the 8. Write a 0 here. Bring down the 0, give it to the 4, and the 4 becomes 40. How many times can 5 fit into 40? 8 times, and 8 times 4 is 40. And 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is 8.8. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.